Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I've brought together beautiful Ankara styles for your rich auntie vibes. You'll be seeing lots and lots of Ankara long gown styles, Ankara Bubu styles, beautiful African kaftan dresses that you can rock to any special occasion. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about all of these styles. Do you have a favorite in today's styles collection? Kindly let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be super excited. I'll be glad to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching this video, do want to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see these amazing styles compiled in this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Prestilex Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If these are the kinds of videos that you enjoy and love watching, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. And I'll see you in another beautiful, exciting and interesting episode on the channel. Always remember to stay glued to this channel for more beautiful styles are coming your way. Do have a lovely day. Bye.